Hey guys, it's Bobby from Clumsy Crafter, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple heart tote bag. See, let's look at this. Isn't that cute? It's the perfect gift for teachers, for librarians, for kids this Valentine's. You can even go a step further and put their name in the middle. So this is a super simple project that requires super simple materials. Let me show you. All you need to make this is to raid your recycle bin, grab a cereal box, or something else that is a really thin cardboard, and then you need a brand new pencil with an unused eraser. The next thing you're going to need, and the last thing, is you're going to need paint. So if you're doing it on a shirt, a t-shirt, a napkin, a towel, something that's going to get washed often, you need fabric paint. If you're going to do it on something like a tote bag that probably won't be washed all that much, you can get away with using a regular acrylic paint. It may not hold up as well, but it'll save you money if you already have acrylic. So that's something to think about. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's get started and make this.
To start this project, you're going to need a clean tote bag. These are easy to find at any craft store or even on Amazon and are great for a variety of projects. Next, you're going to need a cardboard heart. Just cut it out of any type of thin cardboard box that you have. An old cereal box or old cracker box works great. Center it where you want your project to be. And then you're going to take your pencil. Make sure your pencil has a new eraser that is round and flat. Next, grab your paint. I had added a little bit of water to my paint because it was a little too thick, but any paint should work fine for this project. Also grab some napkins so that you can clean spills or dab your pencil on there before you start using it. As you see here, that's what I did. I grabbed my pencil eraser, I put a little paint on it, and then I dabbed it on the napkin just to test out how thick the paint was going to be, and to make sure I wasn't going to put a blob of paint on my bag. So the first few times are just me test times. The first time I tested on the napkin, the second time I tested on the cardboard heart. Once I kind of figured out how hard I need to press and how much paint I need to be on each tip of the eraser, then I just started the project. Just dot around the outside edge, do a little thicker toward the inside, and thinner as you go out. What happens if you accidentally move your hand and the cardboard heart shifts? Just put it back as best as you can and keep going. It's a no pressure project. This is supposed to be fun. So just have fun with it and don't worry about the small little details. Just keep going around your heart, spacing them out, going further and further away from the heart, and getting lighter and lighter with the pressure as you go away from it. And there you go. That's all there is to it. It's a very quick, under 10-minute project, and when you're done, you have a beautiful looking heart. It doesn't get any easier. Make this. Have a great Valentine's Day.